All right, what's going on, guys? So in this video, we're gonna take this tri-tip, we're gonna get some smoke on it, we're gonna do the good old reverse sear method. I'm gonna make a nice little easy sandwich anyone can make. Stick around, guys, check it out, here we go. All right, so I got this prime tri-tip I picked up from Sam's Club. Really minimal trimming I gotta do on this. Just gonna get barely, a little bit of fat off. Not that much on there. There's a little bit of silver skin. Just get that off. Super basic seasoning on this. I got this El Mexicano adobo seasoning I'm gonna throw on there with some coarse ground black pepper. All I'm gonna do is just let this sit here for a few minutes. I got the Yoder Y640 pellet cooker coming up to temperature. We're gonna throw it on there, so I'll see you guys outside. All right, so we got the pellet cooker going at 200 degrees. I'm just gonna get this on here. So I'm looking at the thickest part of the tri-tip. I'm gonna get a probe in there. We're gonna cook it till 120 degrees internal, and then we're gonna take it out and give it a sear, and that's gonna be it. I'm thinking it's gonna take like 45 minutes to an hour. All right, so while that meat's getting some smoke, I'm gonna make a little bit of a slaw. So I feel like any smoked meat sandwich goes pretty good with some slaw and some cheese. Cut out the core and just chop this up really fine. Throw that in a bowl. And the good thing about a slaw is it's super versatile, so you can do like a bunch of different ingredients, whatever you want to do. You can customize it how you want. And you don't have to be exact on the ingredient amount, which is pretty cool. Kind of just eyeball everything, as long as you got some sugar in there, a little bit of vinegar, mayo. I got some bunch of green onions right here I'm gonna throw in. I'm gonna grate 1 carrot. Throw some pepperoncinis in there. Just run your knife through these, mince them up, dice them up pretty good. Get some mayo, big old squirt, a little bit of mustard, splash apple cider vinegar, a little pinch of salt. Got some celery seed, a little sprinkle of that. Got some chipotle sauce I'm gonna throw in there. Just a little bit, not going crazy with that. And some white sugar. Just gonna mix that up. Just give it a little taste. Tastes pretty damn good. All right, so this is what we're looking like. After getting a good amount of smoke on this, it was like about an hour and a half because it was running at 200 degrees. And if it was going to like 250 or 275, obviously it's gonna be quicker than that. So I'm gonna let this sit here for a minute. We're gonna toast up some bread. I'm gonna get a good sear on this and we're gonna make a sandwich. Just gonna get a little butter in the pan. So I got this cast iron pan on super high heat. A little avocado oil in there. When you start to see it smoking, you know it's ready to sear up. All I'm gonna do is give it a minute and a half, 2 minutes on each side, and you should be done after that. Get some good contact on there. All right, so now this is all cooked up and I'm gonna let this sit here and rest. And that's basically gonna be it. You always gotta mention this thinner point right here, the grain runs this way. Then it fans out, so when you get over here, you slice like this. And you could just cut it in half like that, but trying to go super thin slices. So there it is, guys. Super easy tri-tip sandwich, nice and smoky, guarantee it. Awesome. That slaw is really good. It's not weird putting the chipotle sauce in there. I know it looks weird, but I only put a little bit with that provolone cheese. But that's it, super simple sandwich. Anybody can make it. From start to finish, took a couple hours, about an hour and a half on the smoke, just seared it up, made the sandwich, and that's it. It feels like just a super kicked up version of a roast beef sandwich, a little bit of slaw in there. Can't go wrong with this, I guarantee it. But thank you for watching, guys, I appreciate it. Like and subscribe, share the content. Peace out, thank you.